I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your eSIM to a new device can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup your current eSIM. Before transferring, backup your current eSIM settings. This can usually be done in the settings menu of your old device. Step 3. Contact Telus customer support. Reach out to Telus customer support either through their app or website. They will provide you with the QR code or activation details for your new device. Step 4. Activate eSIM on new device. On your new device, go to the cellular settings and select the option to add a new eSIM. Scan the QR code provided by Telus or enter the activation details manually. Step 5. Confirm activation. After adding the eSIM, make sure to confirm that it is activated by checking your network connection. If you don't see service, try restarting your device. Remember, if you run into any issues, Telus support is there to help. Good luck with your new device.